today we finish this move with a couple of options. So from this first, the first beginning was 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. We did 1, 2, and 3. Remember this one? 5, block 6, 7, 8. Now, the 7, 8 is up. So we always breathe in on 7 and 3. Breathe in. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The cambria. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We find this connection and we lean. Okay? And the important thing is the connection is here and not here.
Girls, you are responsible to take away your chest. I will not hang like this.
No.
I will stay away.
Not today.
Not today.
So you have this connection and you go back up, girls. So this connection in, this goes out, and we said straight up, or if we have this hip throw, I press down and go up for now. So from this angle, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 3, 5, 6, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tilt to the side, go up, connection, down, throw the hip, go down,